Story from Shillong. Protests and demonstrations against the Citizenship Amendment Bill continues in the region as the Khasi Students' Union staged a massive public rally in Shillong against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. The KSU has also called for public meeting based on the instructions given by the Northeast Students' Organization. So viewers, you can see on your television screen a large number of people have gathered in the streets of Shillong, and protests and demonstrations against the Citizenship Amendment Bill continues in the region as the Khasi Students' Union staged a massive public rally in Shillong today against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill. And not only this, the KSU has also called for a public meeting based on the instructions given by the Northeast Students' Organization.
The rally has started and it is going right now to Motran, the area where they will have the public meeting. And if you can see behind me, they are already marching ahead from the KSU office. And you can see NESO Chairman Samuel Jura out there marching along with the banner out there. I would try to talk to Mr. Samuel Jura and see, give an insight on this. Hello, Bajura, if you can tell us about the rally today here.
Well, this public meeting is part of the NESO program that all the consumer organizations, they need to hold a rally in all their respective states. So this rally is organized to oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, in which the Lok Sabha has recently passed and now pending in the Rajya Sabha. So this rally is to oppose and to highlight the government of India that the northeastern people are deadly against this bill, and come what may, we will not accept this bill, and we hope that the members in the Rajya Sabha will not allow this bill to be passed for the protection and also for the survival of the indigenous community of the northeastern region.
Right, Basamel, we see a huge participation of people out here. So who all are participating and from where all?
Well, this is the reflection of the sentiments of the people. This is just a fraction of the people who attended this rally. But in all the states of the northeastern region, the sentiments is very high. The emotions are very high. And if the government of India does not take this as a clear message, then we will not know what will happen in the near future.
Well, we are here to strongly oppose the CAB. And also, we are here to support the different social organization because they have taken these important issues. This is for the safety of the entire northeastern region, and we are here. We are here. We don't play politics. We are here to see and to safeguard the interests of our people. This is my message.
I'm here today in Motran together with NESO, KSU, and all the organization who came to the street to oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. I, on behalf of myself and the party and the people of Meghalaya, we totally oppose against this bill, and we like to send feelers to the government of India that the people of Meghalaya are not happy with the Citizenship Amendment Bill. So once again, we want the government of India to kindly reconsider the matter, because otherwise the law and administration will be arised here instead of Meghalaya and also in the northeastern region.
Well, the public rally public meeting organized by the KSU today is a strong message to the central government that we, the people of Meghalaya and entire Northeast, we are totally opposed to the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Since from the day one, we feel that this is Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. It is a draconian bill to destroy the ethnic identity of the northeastern region. So I believe this is a message that the central government will listen to the people of the voice of people of the northeast and immediately scrap and revoke the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016.
We are here as a northeasterner. We are here as a part of Northeast. We are here to support the opposition to the Citizenship Amendment Bill because of one thing: if this Citizenship Amendment Bill becomes an act, it will be detrimental to the people of Northeast. It will wipe us out as indigenous people of Northeast.